Hey, it's another great day in Coto de Caza, Orange County, California. Up on our hillside here on our trail, we have a new plant called a black sage. California black sage, Salvia mellifera or Salvia mellifera. He's the most common sage in all of California. In his species, mellifera, it means honey bearing. That's the name of the European honeybee who likes to visit this plant. It's called a Apis mellifera. It's called a black sage because out here, those dark whorls where the flowers used to be, they're all black. That's why they call them a black sage. That's pretty cool. And I got some more down here and all up on the hillside. I'm not sure if you can see all that, but all those spikes sticking up, it's all black sage. Holy smokes. That's pretty cool. You find them in California coast from San Francisco down to Baja, from about sea level all the way to 3,000, 4,000 feet. Described as a small, highly aromatic, moderately growing, perennial mounding evergreen shrub. Gets about 4 feet tall, and even up to 6 feet like these guys, and 10 feet across. He's a great ornamental for your xeriscape garden. He's a real important member of our Southern California coastal sage scrub. Grows in almost any soil, from sand, shale, basalt, clay, almost anything. And he's covered with little glandular hairs, which kind of send out a pungent odor after it rains. Kind of the smell of sage out here in our little chaparral community. And his roots, oh man, he's really thin when he's young, but he gets all thick like this and burrowed and woody as he ages. So he turns into a kind of a mess. But that's pretty cool because he's still a good plant to have. And his leaves, oh, look at some of his leaves here. He's an evergreen, but in summertime or times of drought, these will turn a little darker, almost brown or black, and they'll curl upward, and then if it rains, they'll uncurl to help with photosynthesis during the summer. That's pretty cool, but you really get these lush green leaves after the winter rains. These guys look fantastic. So he's super green, large and healthy. And the leaves are elliptical to obovate, about 1 to 3 inches long. The upper surface is smooth, glabrous, without hairs, and the lower surface has little hairs on them. He gives off a real minty odor when he's crushed, especially when he's dried up. And the flowers here, they come in these whorls. They're tiny, pale blue, lavender, lilac color. Sometimes you might even get a rose color, but that's pretty rare. And they're upright flower stalks, and they come up and they reach to the sky. You get these whorls, 1, 2, 3, almost 4 on this guy. He's got little flowers that are lobed there, and you have upper lobe has 2 sections, and right there it's exerted, so the stamen and anther pollen, all those puppies are extending above the petals. He's great at attracting honeybees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Anyway, so the fruit, well, the fruit, we'll call it, this whole whorl here is the fruit, and he dries up into this fellow here. And in here we have hundreds of little sections of, they're called schizocaps. And then those guys will split open and have the seeds inside. And the birds like to eat the seeds, like our California quail and the California towhee. And what's this guy used for? Well, it's got a chemical called diterpenoids. Those are painkillers. And the Chumash Native Americans, they made a strong solution out of the leaves and the stems. They'd soak their feet in them or put them on, painful areas after they're done working out in the field or hunting or whatever they used to do back in the day. These guys are terrific. You could take these seeds here and plant them in your garden. They also produce a special nectar used to make black sage honey. It tastes super peppery and strong. And that honey is really rare because this plant only produces enough nectar about every 2 or 3 years to have enough honey to make that black sage honey. It's so wonderful tasting. We grow this at home, like zones 8 to 11, full sun, drought tolerant, and well draining soil. These guys are just doing fantastic on their little hillside. See all that? It's all black sage. Salvia mellifera out here in Coto de Caza. Isn't that cool? Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you liked that video. Have a great day. Bye.